Hello from Myrtle Beach. I'm going to take you over here and show you the new landmark $3 million water park that just opened. So exciting, and give you a bird's eye view as well, so stay tuned for that. Hi, I'm Carmen, and if you're new here and you enjoy Myrtle Beach videos, we've got you covered. We cover everything Myrtle Beach, everything new at Myrtle Beach, as well as the surrounding area. We cover new things just like this really amazing $3 million water park. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much. We appreciate you watching. All right, let's go take a closer look. And here we are with this bird's eye view of their water park. It's amazing. I mean, look how high this is. I think I'm up 8 stories right now. So this just gives you an idea. You know, I'm just barely above the top of those water slides. Really amazing. They also have some other sprinkle areas, fun areas for the kids. I'll show you that when we get back down street level, but I wanted to give you this amazing view. And also, look at that gorgeous ocean, and that's the Landmark Resort straight across, and they have a balcony where you can walk across a breezeway that's covered across Ocean Boulevard over to their hotel, which is really convenient. And here's a slightly different vantage point from up top. And I had a couple of questions for you. Have you ever stayed at the Landmark Resort? If so, leave us a comment and let us know how you liked it. And also, would this water park make you want to stay at the Landmark if you haven't already? Let us know that in the comments. And if you're enjoying this video, be sure to give it a like. A street level view. I'll go around and show you some of the other stuff. They've got some really cute kids activities over here. Look at this exit from this little kiddie water slide. So cute with the lion. We'll walk the full perimeter so you can see everything. A kid's splash zone so they can squirt each other as they come off the slide. So cute. It looks like a lot of fun. So it looks like they've got something for all ages, which is great. And here, straight ahead, is Ocean Boulevard, and then of course beyond that is the beautiful ocean. And here's a street level view of the Landmark Hotel. Let's go around to this side and check things out from the street. So this is Ocean Boulevard that I'm facing right now. And now back to this beautiful water park. I mean, it is gorgeous. So definitely let me know in the comments what you think about this. I'm just really curious what your opinion is. I think this is amazing. I mean, this is really elaborate for a hotel, and this isn't all they have. They have some indoor stuff too. I want to say they have a lazy river and an indoor pool, but definitely check their website or call them to be sure. But I know this isn't the extent of their water offerings here. Really, really, really cool. Now I'm over on the side of the Landmark Hotel, headed towards the ocean. I wanted to show you their cute little lazy river with dolphins. So right over here they have a pool, and that pool is indeed Oceanfront. And then here's the view of the hotel oceanside. So they have this gorgeous view right of the ocean, so you can stay oceanfront and enjoy this gorgeous view. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now and click subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.